know because of who and what you are, you're unable to say this. So I'll say it for you. You lied in the Commonwealth because you're a hunter who's been searching for one thing his whole life. You survived so long without it. The fact that you may have found it terrifies you, but not as much as the fact that she's down there, buried in several tons of hurricane. And if you want to see her again, and you take my advice, you'd get down there and you start digging.
Jupiter Ascending is the new film by the Wachowskis, and it really shows these siblings at their best and at their worst. At their best, they are wonderful visual stylists, creators of otherworldly worlds, places we've never seen or even dreamt about, places in far distant galaxies. At their worst, they really write dreadful dialogue, and their story sense doesn't always play out the way we'd like it.
Are those flying boots?
They use the force of gravity, redirecting it into differential equation slopes that you can surf.
Yeah, I heard gravity and surf.
Up is hard, down is easy.
Thank you. Wow.
Jupiter Ascending has a good core idea. Mila Kunis plays a young Russian immigrant, very poor, living in Chicago with her extended family, spends her days earning very little money cleaning other people's houses. It turns out that this young woman, whose name is Jupiter, is the heiress to a vast intergalactic empire. And as such, a lot of people want her dead.
It's her.
Good. Kill her.
A lot of people want to try and keep her alive, and that's the way the story unfolds. Channing Tatum shows up to help keep her alive. So a lot of complicated stuff goes on. There's wonderful visual creation of worlds in this film, but the drama, the interplay, the human interaction is not what we would like. For the Los Angeles Times, this is Kenneth Turan.